Top 5 Habits of Self-Made Millionaires that you can start implementing today. Did you know that over 80% of millionaires are self-made? That's right. They didn't inherit their wealth. They built it from scratch. What's their secret? Today, I'm sharing the top 5 habits that every self-made millionaire practices. Habits you can start today. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mind Your Personal Business. And in this video, we're diving into the daily habits that set self-made millionaires apart from everyone else. If you're serious about leveling up your life and finances, then these habits are a game changer. Here's the thing. Most of us want to be successful, but we often get stuck in the same routines that keep us from reaching our full potential. But self-made millionaires? They don't just wish for success. They build it with intentional habits. So how do they do it? And more importantly, how can you start implementing these habits today? Habit number 1, reading. Self-made millionaires know that knowledge is power, and they prioritize learning. Books on finance, self-improvement, and business strategies are their go-to. Even just 30 minutes of reading a day can give you a huge edge. Reading is the habit that sets millionaires apart from others. But they don't just read anything. They focus on books that help them grow in knowledge, mindset, and strategy. Self-made millionaires often read in areas like personal development, leadership, finance, and biographies of other successful people. This gives them insights that help them make better decisions, innovate, and stay ahead of trends. How to implement? Start small. Dedicate just 30 minutes a day to reading, focusing on personal finance, leadership, or skill-building books. Choose the right material. Look for books that expand your understanding of money, like The Millionaire Next Door or Think and Grow Rich. Set a reading goal. Make a plan to read at least one book per month. Use audiobooks if you're short on time. Actionable takeaway. The more you learn, the more you earn. Knowledge compounds just like interest does. Pro tip. Warren Buffett famously said that reading 500 pages a day is key to building knowledge. Start by gradually increasing your reading time and materials. Habit number 2. They prioritize physical health. Successful people understand the connection between a strong body and a sharp mind. Physical health equals mental clarity, and that's why they prioritize exercise. Whether it's morning workouts or mindful meditation, they know taking care of themselves is non-negotiable. Physical health plays a crucial role in mental performance. Many self-made millionaires prioritize fitness because they understand that a healthy body leads to more energy, higher productivity, and better decision-making. Exercise reduces stress, sharpens focus, and even boosts creativity. How to implement? Exercise daily. Even a 30-minute workout can make a difference. You don't need a fancy gym. Home workouts, running, or even walking are effective. Focus on nutrition. Millionaires often stick to simple, healthy diets because they understand that food affects energy and mood. Try to eat balanced meals that fuel productivity. Sleep well. Getting 7-8 hours of sleep is non-negotiable for optimal brain function. Actionable takeaway. Your body is your greatest asset. Keep it in top condition so you can perform at your peak. Pro tip. Tony Robbins, a self-made millionaire and motivational speaker, incorporates exercise and meditation into his daily routine to maintain high energy levels and mental clarity. Habit number 3. Goal setting and visualization. Self-made millionaires don't just work aimlessly. They have clear, actionable goals. They write them down. They visualize their success, and they break those big goals into smaller daily tasks. This habit is all about focus and direction. Self-made millionaires are extremely goal-oriented. They don't just have vague dreams of success. They write down specific, measurable goals and develop a clear plan for achieving them. Visualization is a powerful tool they use to mentally rehearse their success. By imagining their future achievements, they train their brain to focus on the steps needed to get there. How to implement? Set SMART goals. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to be rich, say, I want to save $20,000 by the end of the year by saving $500 a week. Create a vision board. Display your goals visually to keep them top of mind. Seeing your future daily reinforces your commitment to achieving them. Use a daily planner or journal. Break down your big goals into smaller daily tasks and track your progress. Actionable takeaway. Successful people plan their success. Get clear on what you want and how you'll get there. Pro tip. Oprah Winfrey swears by the power of visualization and goal setting, using vision boards to manifest her achievements and guide her success. 4. Build and nurture a strong network. Your network determines your net worth. Self-made millionaires are highly intentional about the people they surround themselves with. They build relationships with other driven, successful individuals who can offer advice, mentorship, and opportunities. They see networking as an investment in their future. How to implement. Attend networking events. Go to conferences, seminars, or local business meetups to meet like-minded individuals. Find a mentor. Reach out to someone who has already achieved what you're aiming for and learn from their experience. Give before you take. When building your network, focus on how you can help others rather than what you can get from them. Building genuine relationships is key. Actionable takeaway. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and challenge you to be better. Pro tip. According to research from Thomas Corley, 86% of self-made millionaires reported that they networked and built relationships with people they wanted to emulate. Habit number 5. Consistent and early routines. Millionaires are early risers. They start their day before the world wakes up, and that gives them the headspace to plan, create, and execute without distractions. A solid morning routine sets the tone for a productive day. Self-made millionaires are known for their structured routines, and many are early risers. Starting the day early gives them uninterrupted time to focus on personal growth, goal setting, and high-priority tasks. A solid routine creates consistency, which is essential for long-term success. How to implement. Wake up early. Aim to wake up at least an hour earlier than you normally do. Use this time to focus on personal development, whether it's exercise, reading, or setting goals for the day. Create a morning routine. Successful routines often include exercise, healthy eating, and setting intentions for the day. It sets the tone for productivity and achievement. Block time for focused work. Self-made millionaires often use time blocking to ensure they're dedicating time to the most important tasks without distractions. If I had to pick just one habit that will make the biggest difference, it's reading and constant learning. Knowledge compounds over time, just like money, and it's the foundation of every other success habit. To recap, self-made millionaires read daily, prioritize health, set clear goals, build powerful networks, and start their days early. These habits aren't hard to start, but they'll make a huge difference in your path to success. Which habit are you going to start with? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more millionaire habits, tips on wealth building, and productivity hacks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. You've got this!